Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. In today's video, we will be showing to you guys how to create custom product template in Shopify. Now, you can create your own custom product template easily through your product or your Shopify theme settings over here when you customize, and I will show you guys that later in today's video. But let us first explain what the theme or the template is for. Now, the template is typically used for if you want a specific product to look different from other products. So for example, if you're viewing your store, let's view it over here, preview. If you're viewing your store and you have multiple products and you want a specific product or two products, or it doesn't matter how many products you want specific products to have different appearance, different way of being displayed. So for example, we have a test product over here. Currently, this is what it looks like. But if we use a template or if we use a custom template, the appearance of this product would be different than the rest. Like this display over here, it would be different from other products. So let's show you guys how to do that. First things first, let us create our product first. I want to create two products or three to show you guys the difference between each template. So first, add your product. We already have product 1, so let's add test product 2. Let's add some quantity over here, 40. Then for the price, same thing. And right now, we only are going to choose the default product under the theme template. So when you're creating a product or modifying a product, to be able to apply the custom product template that you have created, this is where you're going to see it over here. The theme template at the right side. As you can see, this is our right side. Scrolling down, you will be able to see here theme templates, as you can see. So we're going to show you that later on. So I'm simply going to save this for now. And let's create one more product so that we have 3 products to show you guys the appearance of our different templates. So test product number 3 and save. So now you're going to your Shopify over here. At the home page, you're going to look over here on the left side. You have the online store. So you're going to have to select the online store, and other themes, we're going to customize the appearance of our website. Now, the type of theme that you're using doesn't really matter. You could use any type of theme that you want. As of for now, for our tutorial, we will be settling with the Shopify Dawn theme because that's the default theme. And so we're going to click on customize over here to wait for it to load. And there we go. This is our homepage. The next step is to look over here on the top. Select the homepage drop down over here. You will see this drop down, and you're simply going to select the products, and over here create template. Then we're going to name it. So let's say for product 1 we have this specific style, so create template, and now this is the template that we have. Now we're going to customize it like a normal website or like a normal page. So over here, simply put all the type of elements, all the sections that you want to appear on that specific product that you want this template to apply to. So for example, for this one, I don't want the My Store, I don't want the variant picker, the quality selector, that's okay. I might modify it, but I can't modify it, I guess. So I don't like the share, I don't like the description. We don't have description either way. The button is there. Let's add a block over here. Inventory status, let's add that. As you can see, out of stock. Let's drag the inventory status above. There we go. Let's add another block. Maybe icon with text, variant picker. Let's settle with that for now. And aside from this, let's see what other things we will be able to change. Maybe let's change the theme. Let's select a different theme over here. Maybe a bluish theme. There we go. So we have this for our product 1 template. So let's click on save. And now we have that. Now let's create another one. Click on the products, same process, create template. Now this time we're going to do product 2. This is just to show you guys that the way the different templates would be applied. So in the product 2, we're not going to change much in this area, but I'm going to change the color over here. So change, maybe scheme 3. There we go. And then we could add something else aside from product information. Maybe we could add some sort of feature or collection list, I guess. So over here at the top, we have the collection list and then the section over here. Actually, let's put the collection list underneath if we can. Here we go. As you can see, the collection is now under our test product over here. So after this, let's save this as well. So now let's go to our products and select the specific products you want those templates to apply to. So for the test product number 1 over here, the first one that I have created, we're settling with the default template or the default product template. For our test product 2, we're going to set up the product 1 template. There we go. As you can see, click on save. And for our last product, test product 3, going to use product 2, click on save, and there we go. Now we're simply going to visit our store over here, refresh it. Let's open each one of them. For the product 1, as you can see, the default appearance. For the product 2, as you can see, we have test product 2, the appearance of the second template or the first template that we have made for the specific product with the stocks over here. And for the product 3, as you can see, different color and with the collections over here. So that's basically how you will be able to make your own custom product templates that you could use for individual products. So if you want a specific product with a specific theme to have a really nice settings, different from the rest, different appearance from the rest, unique, you could use and take advantage of this product template that we have over here. You could create easily with all of the available blocks, sections that you would typically have on a normal or on the homepage that you would typically be able to add. And it's very easy to make a very unique output over here. You could see all the available settings. And if you have apps where you could download or you could add apps into your store, you could add that into your custom template as well if you prefer. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.